Hey everyone, in this video, we are going to be reviewing the PineConnector and see if it's the best automation software in 2026. So this video is a comprehensive review of PineConnector, the bridge that connects TradingView alerts to MetaTrader for automated trade execution. So let's start with the dashboard and connected accounts. So PineConnector's dashboard shows all your connected MetaTrader accounts, signal logs, and automation status at a glance. So the interface is clean with a dark navy themed and intuitive navigation. Next is the setting up and the webhook bridge. So the setup process involves entering your PineConnector license key and configuring the webhook. So URL in the TradingView. So the connection between TradingView and MetaTrader is established through their servers. Next is the TradingView alert configuration. So in TradingView's Pine script editor, you write the alert messages using PineConnector's syntax to trigger buy and sell orders. So the syntax is straightforward with commands for entries, exits, and risk management. Next is the trade execution log. So every automated trade is logged with entry price, stop loss, take profit, and execution status rather. So this transparency helps you verify that your automation is working correctly. Lastly is the pricing and license options. So PineConnector offers tiered licensing from basic to premium. So higher tiers include more connected accounts, faster execution, and priority support. So it's a one-time or subscription model. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!